Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma today attended the anniversary celebration of the Yes Meghalaya as chief guest at the Pinewood Hotel Banquet Hall, Shillong, wherein he had launched the revised guidelines of Yes Meghalaya and also distributed cheques to its beneficiaries. Also present during the occasion was Minister of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, Shakliar Warjri, the Commissioner and Secretary Sports and Youth Affairs, Dr. Vijay Kumar and Director Sports and Youth Affairs, Isawanda Laloo. Addressing the gathering, Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma said that there is a huge gap in the activities that the youth would like to do and the support that they get for implementing such activities. He added that the government is working in a planned and strategic manner so that financial assistance can be given to the youth organizations to carry out their activities, as there was no systematic way of structuring what was being given to them by the government or other departments.
Computer technologies, and finally the beginners career coaching.
Tell you, please, register, be active. We will be there to support you. I know the positive energy that you have inside you. And I would wish that we as a government are there to support you, to bring out that energy, to bring out a positive energy that is there in the system. And that's really what the purpose is. Can you imagine if there are 10,000 of these groups, and if each group has got, 20 members in it? You're talking of 2 lakh youth doing different programs in sports, different programs in environmental related issues, different programs in music, different programs in social issues that we have. And let me tell you, that can make a huge difference. And while you do that, while you do these programs, be socially in media, be active, update what you're doing so that you motivate others also. By the way, we are going to do that very soon. For you, we are creating a platform where we'll be allowing different groups to be formed. So suppose you are music group, then all the groups that are playing music, they will be part of one particular group where you can share what you're doing in your group and you can motivate others. If you're an environment friendly group, then there'll be others in the same platform who will be registered and doing the environment activities. Then you can talk to each other. Maybe you can have joint programs together. Maybe you can have inter-regional programs together. So the sky is the limit. There's so much that can be done, and we are happy to be with you and support you in all of these activities.